This is Brian with a UK accent. Welcome to 684 Coastal Hills Drive in Rolling Hills Ranch 2, located in a very desirable neighborhood. The home features an open kitchen that flows right into the dining and living areas, making the home feel open and spacious. The primary bedroom is located downstairs, offering comfort and privacy. The main home offers 4,281 square feet of living space, featuring 3 bedrooms, with a 4th set up as an attached ADU at the front of the property, complete with its own entrance, ideal for guests, extended family, or added flexibility. In the back, terrace, also a fully detached ADU approximately 600 square feet, includes its own kitchen and full bathroom. Step outside to a backyard designed to enjoy, with a pool, spa, and canyon, and mountain views that open up the space. A gated driveway and 3-car garage add to the overall functionality of the home. A one-of-a-kind home